The power of dua. Dua is a weapon of a believer. It's the key to unlocking Allah's mercy and blessings. The Prophet, peace be upon him, said, Dua is the essence of worship. Make dua with sincerity and conviction. Ask Allah for forgiveness, guidance, and strength. Dua can change your life, so make it a habit. Remember, Allah is always listening. So don't hesitate to call upon Him. Make dua with hope and trust in Allah's plan and see the positive change in your life, inshallah.